Hello guys. So today I'm going to show you how to get big rewards in Monopoly Go. It's a very easy process. So firstly what you do is just simply open the game itself. Now after the game is opened, just simply close all the pop-ups that might appear in front of you. Now in order for you to get rewards, there are multiple places that you can get rewards in the first place. So let's say you are going to attack someone, or if you're doing a bank heist. So how to maximize your reward percentage in that particular scenario. So all you would do is click on the multiplier over here to increase the multiplier. So if you click on this over here, as you can see, you will get all rewards, and all reward means whatever reward you will get in anything, event, in the attack, in bank heist, it will be increased by the X amount you're entering right over here. The X amount will totally depend on the number of dices that you have on hand. You can also get big rewards in the tournaments that if you will take part in. So for example, this tournament over here. So if you click on this tournament, you will be able to win 5,000 dices, a token, and a sticker pack. Now how to win this? So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is just simply play the game and land on the token, as you can see right over here. Now the token icon will definitely change because this particular event will last for only 7 hours. Once you're done with this, there are more ways to get rewards. For example, if you go on the album option, if you'll complete the entire album collection over here, again you will get a huge reward of 15,000 dices, 339 million cash, and even a token, as you can see right over here. That's it. And thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe to our channel. Take care.